In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off notifications in Yahoo Mail. If constant pings and pop-ups are breaking your focus, this quick walkthrough will help you regain some calm. By the end, you'll have Yahoo Mail quiet and distraction-free, while still keeping full access to your inbox whenever you're ready to check it. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your web browser and signing in as you normally would. Give the page a moment to load fully so every control is visible. The process is the same on most modern browsers, and the general layout is consistent. If you're using a smaller screen, you might see slightly condensed menus, but the options we're looking for are in the same place. Now, look to the upper right corner of the Yahoo Mail interface for the Settings gear icon. Click that to open the Quick Settings panel. This small panel is great for common adjustments, but for notification controls, we need the full settings area. At the bottom of that panel, click More Settings. This opens a dedicated page with a list of categories on the left and detailed options on the right, giving you a clear overview of everything you can customize. On the left-hand side, find and click Notifications. This section centralizes all alert-related controls so you can silence what you don't want and keep what you do. You'll see switches for desktop notifications, email alerts, and sounds. To fully stop interruptions, turn each of these off. Turning off desktop notifications stops those little banners or toasts that appear on your computer when new messages arrive. With that switch off, Yahoo Mail won't push visual pop-ups to your desktop while you're working in other apps. Turning off email alerts prevents Yahoo from sending special alert emails meant to call your attention to activity. With this off, your inbox won't generate additional reminders on top of your normal incoming mail. Finally, turning off sounds mutes audible chimes and dings inside Yahoo Mail, keeping things silent even if the tab is open in the background. There's no separate save button here. Your changes apply immediately. Once these three toggles are off, you've effectively silenced Yahoo Mail. You can still check messages whenever you want by opening your inbox. The difference is that Yahoo won't tap you on the shoulder while you're focused elsewhere. That's it. You opened Yahoo Mail, clicked Settings, went into More Settings, selected Notifications, and turned off desktop notifications, email alerts, and sounds. If you ever want alerts back, just revisit this page and turn any switch on again. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the quieter, more focused inbox experience.